Today we're going to add a calendar to our website. So you'll notice I'm on the site that we're working on. I'm going to simply click on Insert, go to Calendar, and then I can pick any calendar that I have listed. Now I have my tab open with the icon that has our calendars. Again, they're all listed here. For this instance, I could put my own in, but for this instance, I'm going to put Computer Lab 256. So I'm going to pick Computer Lab 256, Insert, and now it's there. All I have to do is hit Publish, and I'm going to look at the finished site. This is the site that parents and anyone on the web can see. And now they have a list. You can change it by week or month. And so now parents and students can see exactly what's going on in your room. Okay, that concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know.